Today, you're going to learn one powerful word in English: action. This word is very common, but it has many meanings depending on the situation. If you understand this word well, you will sound more natural and confident in English. Let's start. Green. First meaning: doing something. The most important meaning: action equals doing something instead of just thinking. It's when you move, decide, and do. Examples: you need to take action now. She took action to improve her life. If you want success, you must take action. Stop thinking and start taking action. Key phrase: take action equals do something about a situation. Blue. Second meaning: movement, excitement. We use action to describe situations full of movement, energy, or excitement. Examples: the movie is full of action. I love action movies. The football match had a lot of action. There's too much action in this scene. Tip: used a lot with movies, sports, and games. Red. Third meaning: a step to solve a problem. Action equals something you do to fix a problem. This is more formal and often used in serious situations. Examples: the government took action to reduce pollution. The company took action after customer complaints. We need to take action before it's too late. Immediate action is required. Meaning: an intentional step to solve an issue. Yellow. Fourth meaning: legal action. In law, action means a legal process. Examples: he took legal action against the company. The customer decided to take legal action. They are facing legal action for their behavior. Meaning: going to court or starting a lawsuit. Purple. Fifth meaning: in movies, action. This is very famous in filmmaking, when the director says, action, meaning start acting now. Example: the director shouted, action, and the actors began. Orange. Sixth meaning: as an adjective, action movie. We use action to describe something exciting. Examples: this is an action movie. I enjoy action scenes. He prefers action films over romantic ones. The game is fast and action-packed. Meaning: full of energy, movement, and excitement. Warning: common mistakes. Number 1. Using action as a verb. I action every day. Correct: I take action every day. Rule: action is a noun, not a verb. Number 2. Forgetting take. We must action now. Correct: we must take action now. Number 3. Confusing action with activity. I like action in my daily routine. Correct: I like activity in my daily routine. Difference: action equals strong, important movement or decision. Activity equals normal daily things. Number 4. Overusing action. I did many actions today. Correct: I did many things today. Tip: use action only in the right context. Final tip: remember this powerful phrase: take action. If you learn this phrase, you can use the word correctly in most situations. Now you understand the word action in all its meanings. But remember, don't just watch, take action and practice. See you in the next lesson. If you want to listen to a story, stay with me. Short story: take action. Ali always had big dreams, but there was one problem: he never took action. Every day he would sit and think, one day I will be successful. But days passed and nothing changed. One evening his friend said, you don't need more ideas, you need to take action. That sentence hit him hard. The next day, Ali finally decided to take action. He started small. He studied, he practiced, he worked hard every day.
At the same time, he changed how he relaxed. Instead of wasting time, he watched an action movie to stay motivated. "The movie is full of action," he said. "It makes me want to move and do something." A few months later, there was a lot of action in his life. New opportunities, new challenges, new success. But one day, a company copied his work. Ali was angry. This time, he didn't stay silent. He took legal action. In the end, Ali smiled and said, "Life changes when you take action, not when you just think about it."